Hi everybody, Pat here. Just got a lock in, or a couple locks in from Commando Lock Company. I got the iChange. I actually ordered the Peacemaker, and Patrick sent me the iChange. I had sent him a question about it, asked him about it. Haven't really heard too much besides, Bosley and Bill and Best Lock Collector USA. But I wanted to see them for myself. I wanted to see the quality. I wanted to see this iChange. I guess how it works. Unlock the lock, 180 spin, and then just turn it all the way the opposite direction. Comes out. Take your new shackle or shorter shackle, whatever it may be. Put it in about yay far. Turn the key the other way. Done. Not bad. I like it. I really like it. I think it's a pretty good idea, and lock is very smooth. It's key retaining. I mean, very smooth. I mean, no issues at all. So let's get into this lock, shall we? Bottom of the keyway, Peterson pry bar light. I'm actually gonna try a rake. He did send a letter with it. Says this is the Y52 new. Each have spool and serrated drivers and key pins. So this should be difficult to get into. And usually, you're not going to rake serrated drivers and key pins, spools. So we're just going to take a chance here. And I'm not an expert on these Y keyways. Oh, wow. That was pretty quick, actually. I wish I could gut this lock. Didn't take me that long to get into. I mean, the bidding on the key, I guess it's, let me get some focus here and get the glare off. I mean, it's not too bad. But that's the iChange from Commando Lock Company. I will do another video on the Peacemaker and the military, which are, this is the Peacemaker. This is the military. Check out the bidding on the Peacemaker here. Let me move this stuff out of the way. Some pretty radical bidding there. Up, down, up, down. I mean, that's crazy. And on the military, some pretty crazy bidding there too. Alright, well, thank you. Take it easy.